How to create Instagram account. So if you want to create an Instagram account, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you open up your Instagram, now you need to simply go for create new account, which is on the bottom of your screen, and then you need to enter the mobile number, or you can also go with sign up with email, and then you can enter your email that you would like to use to create your account. Tap on next, and then you need to create a password. So enter your password and then tap on next, and if you want to save your password, then simply tap on save, and then you need to enter your date of birth. So enter your date of birth and tap on set, and then tap on next, and you need to enter your name. So enter the name, and here you will have your username. It will already create your username, and if you don't like this username, then you just need to simply remove that, and then you can add another username. So tap on next and tap on I agree, and agree to the Instagram terms and policies. And if you want to add a profile picture, then you can add a picture, but I'll be skipping that part for now. And that's it, your account has been created. So tap on skip, tap on next, and that's it, your account has been created. So that's how you can create your account on Instagram, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.